Hello, welcome to our journey to Aberdare National Park. The park covers around 766 kilometers and was established in May 1950. The park is located 150 kilometers east of Nairobi and easily accessible from Nyeri and Norimoru. From Naivasha, it's only 87 kilometers to the park. It is an historical destination known for being the historical headquarters of the Mau Mau Liberian leader Denton Kimanthi in the 1950s. The park holds a special place in the life of Queen Elizabeth while she was announced as the Queen of England. This beautifully scenic region is much cooler than the savannas, and it offers a completely different perspective of Kenya. The national park lies mainly above the tree line. The scenery is spectacular with its mountainous terrain covered in a thick tropical forest. So what attracted us there? We have the beautiful mountain scenery. The park has several picturesque waterfalls, rare animals, and hiking. Come with us. From Naivasha town, we used the North Kinangop Road, then Kirima, Old Karao, then to the park. We made few stopovers to admire the beautiful scenic, and we arrived at our destination safe, where we started doing some exercise, some team building, then later started chasing the three major waterfalls. We visited Karuru Waterfalls first. The second one was Queen's Cave. The third and the last was the Chania.Falls. You can see for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.